In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money from Remitly to Us Bank. Before we begin, make sure you have your Remitly account ready and the recipient's bank details on hand. Having the correct account number and the recipient's legal name exactly as it appears on their bank account will help you move through the process smoothly and avoid delays. Start by heading to the Remitly homepage. Once you're there, look for the option to send money. Clicking Send Money opens the transfer flow and takes you to the screen where you'll set up the details for this deposit. You'll first be asked where you're sending money. Choose the appropriate destination so Remitly can show you the right options, fees, and delivery methods. If you see information from a previous attempt, use the Start Over option to clear it and begin fresh. This helps ensure you're not carrying over the wrong settings or recipient. Next, choose to send to a new recipient. This tells Remitly you're adding someone new for this transfer. On the amount screen, you'll see two fields, you send and they receive. Enter the amount you want to send and notice how the receiving amount updates. This preview is useful for understanding fees, delivery speeds, and any conversion values that may apply. Now it's time to set the delivery method. Click to select one and choose Bank Deposit. This option sends funds directly into the recipient's bank account, which is the most convenient choice when you want the money to arrive securely and typically with detailed tracking. You'll be prompted to search for the receiving bank. Type in Bank of America to find it in the list. If your recipient banks with a different institution, just type that name instead. Picking the exact bank ensures the deposit routes to the correct place. You'll then select your payment method. Click Select One, and you'll see options like paying from a bank account or using a card. Choose the method you prefer. If you see bank account as a choice, you can click that, then continue. In many cases, Remitly offers both bank and card funding. Don't worry if you switch methods next. You can always update your payment source before you review the details. Enter the recipient's account number carefully, then continue. Double check every digit. Even a small typo can cause the transfer to fail or go to the wrong account. Next, provide the recipient's first name and last name. Continue when done and make sure the name matches exactly what their bank has on file to minimize verification issues. You'll see an optional field for the recipient's mobile number. Add it if you want them to receive updates on the transfer. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and continue. For funding, you may see the option to add a new card. Click Add New Card, then continue to open the card details form. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Type your name exactly as it appears on the card and complete the billing address section. The billing address should match what your card issuer has on file. This is important for successful authorization. With everything filled out, choose Review Details. This page is where you carefully confirm the entire transfer before moving ahead. Look over the sending amount and the amount the recipient will receive, review any fees, confirm the delivery method is set to bank deposit with the correct bank, and verify the recipient's name and account number. Also confirm your payment method information is correct and that the billing address aligns with your card statement. If anything looks off, use the on-screen options to make edits now. Adjusting here is much easier than canceling and resubmitting later. That's it. By following these steps, starting from the Remitly homepage, entering the transfer details, choosing bank deposit, selecting the receiving bank, providing the recipient's account and name, adding your payment source, and reviewing your details, you're set up to deposit money quickly and confidently. Take a final moment to ensure accuracy. Then you'll be ready to proceed within Remitly's secure flow.